Hey, fourth grade, this is Mr. Garcia, and we are going to be talking a little bit about the centers that we have going on this week in our class. A couple new ones, so let's just quickly pay attention as I show you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna actually go back and review some of the skills that I feel like we need to work on. One of them is place value. So we have a cool little game called Zebra Roll a Double. And the way that this is gonna work is you're gonna have two dice, and we're gonna roll the dice, and you're gonna try to roll a double. A double is two digits that are exactly the same. So you keep going, taking turn with your partner until you roll a double. Oh, look at that, I rolled a double. I have a 1 and a 1. So now I get to pick one of the actual models here that represents the same digits up here at the top. So for example, 300, 300s, 4 10s, and 2 1s is 342. I will mark that with my red marker, and I will also find that same number up top, which is 342, which is right there. The first person to, or whoever gets the most amount of places filled in is the winner. So that's the first game that we're gonna have for this week. That seems like a lot of fun. The second one is Corner Pocket. Now this one focuses on rounding, and what you'll see here looks like a pool table, and you're going to get out the answer card, flip that around, and you'll get out the pool balls themselves, and they have values on them. For example, 51,000. And you'll try to find the matching pool ball with this card. After you're all done, all you'll do is you'll check the answer key and see if you are correct. And I'm correct, so very good. Moving on. The next center is actually pretty cool. I like this idea. It is called subtraction spin around, and we also have an addition spin around, and it's all about rounding. So what you'll do is you'll take a paper clip, you'll put it in the center of the spinner, and you'll put your pencil face down on top. Then you'll flick it, and you'll get a digit, 16. And then I'm gonna do it again, spin it again, 19. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn it around, and I'm gonna write down 16 and 19. And I know that 16, I'm gonna round it to the tens place, it rounds to 20. And 19, I'm gonna round it to the tens place, and it rounds to 20. And I'm gonna find the sum of 20 plus 20, which I know equals 40. And I'll continue to do that until my entire card is filled. This spinner is kind of the same deal. The only difference is, instead of doing addition, you're gonna be doing subtraction. So pointer there, spin it. 53 is our first digit, and 53. So what I'll do is I'll flip it around, and I'm going to write 53 and 53. They both round to 50, and 50 minus 50 is 0. All right, so that's the next center activity, pretty cool. The next one that we have is called Roll and Round. This one you'll be using some dice. You'll use 3 of them. You're gonna roll 3 different dice, and you're gonna get 3 different numbers. Here's a 4, here's a 3, here's a 4. That is going to be equal to 434. And I'm going to round 434 to the closest 100. 434, I know, rounds to 400. And there's a little challenge here for you as well, to take 434, and you're going to find the sum of another 3-digit number, 553. That's going to round to 600, and I'm going to find the sum of 400 and 600, which I know equals 1,000. So that's one activity that you can do as well. And then we have one more, and this one involves dominoes. Now, be mindful, these dominoes are brand new, so please take care of them. But what you'll do is you'll pick a domino, any domino, have them face down, pick one of them. This domino here has 4 on one side and 3 on the other. So those are going to be my factors. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 3. And I know that 4 times 3 equals 12. And that is my answer. And you can go with a partner and you guys can play together and that'll be great. You may use multiplication charts to help you along the way or calculators. And those are our centers for the week. Look forward to having you guys work on these centers and get better at math. See ya.